Hi, I would like to show you how I use my journal. So I write out the months, June, July, August, my name, and then I flip through to where I plan for the new quarter. So I go here and I transfer what I'd written for the previous months, or you can leave it blank if you want. But for me, just to keep track of what I already did in the previous months, I write them down before I move on to the new month. Now we're starting the month of June today, and so I'm also starting a new journal as well. Ideally, you need to start, January, February, March. But in January, someone gifted me another journal. So I tried it out, and then in February, I went back to the Living Purposefully journal. Yes. So once I transfer what I've done in the previous months, I move on to what I plan, the high level goals that I have for the month of June, and I write them down. And as you can see, I'm writing down a few things that I plan to do or that I plan to work on. I went back because I remembered what I had done in the month of May. And again, it helps you keep track really of what needs to happen or what has happened. Okay, so I move on again to the next page. I write down the year again to keep track. Month 1, June. And here I kind of break down the month, the activities again. I write down the 3 months that I'll use this journal for. I'll come back to putting on my high level goals later. But here I plan my month again, and then I write out the high level goals and monthly brain dump. Now I love this part. This is the calendar. And so because every month has different starts of the day, different starts of the month, I basically fill this in. And so you have to do the same, fill that in. Once I'm done with that, I can begin to fill in different things in here, like birthdays or meetings that I have. But I'll do that later. And then I move on to planning my first week of June, where you write the vision for the week in there, what you want to see achieved in that week. And then for the day, this is the best part. I write down my daily brain dump. And then in order of priority, I write out what needs to be done. And every day you do this. This is the part you do every day, or the night before, actually. You can do this the night before. Okay, so you write down your brain dump there. And then in order of priority, you write down what needs to be done, appointments, any appointments for the day, any other notes, just to keep track of, stuff in your brain, and then how you celebrate at the end of the day. So really, that's how I fill in my journal. Thank you for watching.